This is absolutely fantastic. We're down to just me and that one up there. That one was there before I got here yesterday. Got the solar out. I listened to everyone on YouTube, and I took, as you know, I took all the gas out. So now I cook induction hob, microwave, air fryer, and a 700 watt kettle. And I have come to the conclusion, especially now, you know, that big round thing's out in the sky, right? But I've got 400 watts on the roof, nowhere near enough, right? Got 400 watts out here on the floor, so I'm saying that I've got to have at least 800 watts on that roof to be able to cook, you know, at least once a day. But as you know, the kettle is never off in my van. I'm forever using the kettle. So I say I've got to have at least 800 watts of solar. It's okay having big battery banks, but if you can't charge it back up, you're just going to get flatter and flatter. Or is that discharged and discharged her? I don't know. But anyway, back to the pub. This place is fantastic. As you know what the pub is, birds are singing like wildfire here. It is a little bit close to the main road, but 9 o'clock last night, all that noise disappeared. It is 8 o'clock in the morning, so we got a lot of traffic going by. Lorry. You can't see them, but you can definitely hear them. So yeah, I'm parked over there. I'm on a bit of a gimp, but I don't mind the blood running to my head. Well, they've got a big area out here, massive, and they have the weddings and everything out here. Functions, God knows what they call it, but they do have functions out here. So they got a lovely big lawn there. The other one is they got electric hookup. They got 2 posts with 3 points on, so they could take 3 off that one. And there's one up the other end. He's plugged into that one up there. There was a van down here last night, an elderly couple, nice couple, and they were plugged into it. So I don't know what they charge for the electric, but the saying goes, you can stop as long as you it's free of charge, as long as you eat and drink in the pub. You know, they're not trying to get you off in the mornings or anything like that. The elderly couple, they're using it as a base. They're coming back every evening and dining, going in, having a drink, and sometimes food. As I said, they've got three little gardens. They got this big garden here, right on the edge of the road. Behind that fence, on the entrance, there's exit and an entrance the other side of it, and it's there's a little secret garden in there. They call it the secret garden, but of course we all know it is where it is. They are not open on Mondays and Tuesdays, so I don't know whether you phone up. I phoned up in advance. It does say on their website that you can just pull up here, but if you pull up on a Monday or a Tuesday, they're not open, so you can't get permission to park up. So, Classic Car Meet, Sunday the 6th of July. When's the 6th of July? That was last Sunday, wasn't it? I don't know what the date is. I know it's Thursday or Friday. No, it's Friday, I think. So, yeah, as I say, there is a fair amount of traffic, and it is quite quick. It is quite quick. So this is the exit, right? The entrance is there. A little bit tight to come off the road. There's the secret garden. So let's go and see. I'll take you over and show you the other garden. Yeah, they've got quite a nice bar and lounge in that in the main entrance. But then they've also got this pergola with a roof on and a lot of dining. I dined out there last night. And then they've the back of the back of this pergola, there is a bigger restaurant and everything. Do not allow your dog to foul in the garden. Only food purchased in the pub. Yeah, right. There you go. This is the other garden. It's quite big. What's that? It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 tables. That's an awful lot of people. Yeah, 3, 6, 9, 12. No, 15. Yeah. Lovely weeping willow there. That is nice. And then you've got an entrance out of the pergola. I don't like floating around too much. You know, it is 8 o'clock in the morning. They've already had deliveries. But there you go. You can see. It is nice. And there's even a log burner in there. Yeah. Beautiful pub. Oh, electric car charging. Yeah. I like it. I like it. There you go. Beautiful. There you go. Please note, pub closed Mondays and Tuesdays. Apologise for any inconvenience. Obvious, the road is very busy at the moment because it's the school runs, I expect. They gave me a choice. I could either go out there on the grass or park on the gravel here in the car park. And I thought I'd go over there because it's out in the open and I can get the solar in. Yeah, like it. I do like it a lot, and I'll put the 3 words and everything, so as though you know where it is. Beautiful countryside.